Welcome to the 1 minute study in Revelation. Now, we're still in the salutation in this book, the 66th book known as Revelation. And when we look at this, it tells us, John to the seven churches which are in Asia, and that's present day Turkey, grace be to you and peace from him which is, and which was, and which is to come. Do you see the past, present, future here? Three, all complete. God covers all time. Isaiah 57, verse 15 says, He inhabits eternity. So we see once again, this is God, this Jesus, who is God, is inhabiting all of time. And then it says, and from the seven spirits which are before his throne. Now, there are not seven different spirits. Seven is also the number of completeness. It's talking about the unity of the sevenfold ministry of the Holy Spirit. You can read about that in Isaiah chapter 11 and verse 2. It tells you about that manifold ministry there. It also tells us when we go over to 1 Corinthians chapter 12, it'll remind us there are many different ministries here that the Holy Spirit does, but it's just one Spirit. So we're looking at the Trinity here when it tells us about the Lord, about God the Father in verse 6. It talks about the Holy Spirit in verse 4 and Jesus Christ in verse 5. This is another example of the Trinity found in the Bible right here in Revelation chapter 1.